Hello everyone, let's learn the topic anemia by Sabah Sheikh. So what is anemia? We'll see. So anemia is basically a blood disease. In anemia, blood does not have sufficient amount of RBC. As we all know, hemoglobin is part of RBC, so ultimately it will lead to low level of hemoglobin. And as hemoglobin is required for the transport of oxygen, therefore it will lead to decrease in oxygen level in our body. So now we'll see the causes of anemia. So the causes of anemia include menstrual bleeding. That's why it is one of the commonly occurring disease in case of a female. Trauma, genetics. Sometimes genetics is also responsible for anemia. Iron deficiency. Then cancer is also one of the cause of anemia, and last is metabolism impairment. Due to metabolism impairment also anemia occurs. Now we'll see signs and symptoms of anemia. So here are some common signs and symptoms of anemia, which includes headache, fatigue, then we have dizziness. One of the symptoms is also shortness of breath, and then weakness. Now let's see the treatment part, the treatment of anemia, how the anemia is basically treated. So it depends on the diagnosis. So we have a different options, like we can give the iron supplements to the patient. We can also give vitamin B supplements to the patient. In some cases, like suppose if trauma or accident is occur, then in such case we will give blood transfusion to the patient. And finally, we can also give some specific medication to treat this condition. So this is all about anemia, its sign and symptom, its causes, medication, treatment.